So what does Led Zeppelin 2 got to do with today's cocktail? I guess you'll have to stick around and find out. Greetings and salutations to you, the lovely gents, and welcome back to the Fuzzy Wallflower. I'm your host, Corey. So I picked up another one of these little music cocktail books. It's a little different than the booze and vinyl books that I have. Those have some original cocktails and get into a lot more history and stuff, and this is a lot more pun-based. They just kind of take a song that's similar to a cocktail and just rename it that. And the one today we're doing is called a Bramble On, which is take off a Ramble On from Led Zeppelin 2. And first off, if you're not familiar with Led Zeppelin, then you're probably too young to be drinking. Second, when I put this out, I don't know when you're watching this, but just a few weeks ago, Robert Plant and a band called Saving Grace he's been touring with went and did Ramble On the Late Show with Colbert. And, you know, the song's 50 years old, and it has a nice fresh take on it. It had a lot more of the folky musicianship that Robert Plant seems to enjoy. You know, you saw him with Alison Krauss, and they're doing a lot more of that country. And this is a lot more like the acoustic stuff that Zeppelin was doing. And his voice still sounds great on it. It was awesome. It sounded like a brand new song, and definitely worth checking out. I can put a link in the description to the Colbert, and check it out. It's definitely on point. Almost life-changing. Almost. But yeah, this is just a Bramble. It's nothing special, but we haven't made a Bramble yet, and this is a good chance to make one. So yeah, as always, I am not a bartender and more of a wannabe musician. But yeah, don't take any of this as cocktail advice. Hey, maybe I'm taking my music advice. All right, this is basically just a gin sour with a bit of crème de mûre on top of it. Give it a little fruity, some fruity notes. But yeah, let's just start at the top. 1/2 ounces of gin. 3/4 ounces of lemon juice. 1/4 ounce of simple syrup. And it's shaking time. And just take your rocks glass full of crushed ice. And from here, just take you 1/2 ounce of crème de mûre. And just pour around the top. And top it off with the biggest blackberry you can find. And then, my friends, is a Bramble On, or just a regular Bramble. Yeah, it's kind of pretty. Got a nice little fade there. Let's see what it tastes like. Yeah, it's a whiskey sour with that little bit of a fruity flavor, that sweetness on there. That's all right. Yeah, and that is a Bramble On, aka a Bramble. Well, you know what to do. Bramble on, my friend.